Hey guys, PostLab now supports Media Composer. Create a new project from PostLab or import your existing ones. Open it, choose any folder to be your media location. This doesn't have to be the drive's root. And there you go. Now PostLab will show all top-level folders within your project. Each folder can then be linked to other projects within PostLab if you're on a Pro license. This way you're in control if you're sharing an individual bin or a selection of bins. PostLab will then manage your media for each individual editor, so you don't bump into any issues. And when you're done, just return to PostLab, change your document status if needed, leave a description, hit Save Changes, and PostLab created a new version for you to get back to. Now there is a lot going on under the hood to make this possible. If you're curious, check out our blog and let us know what you think. Bye!